Jeez!
No.
Yeah.
You have little gloves?
What?
You have little gloves? Where? Ooh.
Yeah.
That's a nicer one.
What, 8.5 inches?
Yeah. They're just thick.
Yeah, I know.
What, is that on the same bell? Close to it?
Biggest one.
Huh?
That was the biggest one.
They're just on a constant move. Always
I
swimming.
need this fish to come back. I don't know what it is, but it is big.
What is this?
Oh.
Oh, I got two coming in. What's this? Oh, what a tank. What a tank.
Exactly. That is it, man.
What a tank. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing.
Okay, let's see him.
Oh, what a tank.
Get a picture with him here.
Alright, baby.
Nice fish.
I think it was like just a thick bar and just came up and popped it.
Eating that VMC ice fry pretty good. Tungsten ice fry. Gets down there and gives him a finesse with the hair tied on there.
Big? Hold on, I'll show the camera here in a second.
Oh my gosh, dude. This is like a giant hybrid. This is sweet.
I know, let me just catch this fish. I'll show the camera here in a second. Alright, never mind. Oh, yeah, he's back. What the heck is that? It's like a hybrid
That is sweet.
pumpkin seed thing. They keep just appearing.
Maybe we'll let it take my picture here. You can pause it, can't you, and take a picture of it.
Oh, this one's tiny, I think. Yep. Oh, here comes another one. Oh, that's a bigger mark, I think.
Got him?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a nicer crappie. That's what it hit it.
Sweet. That's a nice one. Was it only him there?
Yeah, just one.
Do you
They just kind of come in occasionally. Yeah, because here come three more come up. There's so many that keep moving in. It's nuts.
That's the biggest crappie I've seen out here.
Some nicer sunny. Oh yeah.
You keep missing them? Put on a smaller hook maybe. This one feels very big, Cody. Oh, he's not even that big at all. He was just freaking out down there. Little guy had a lot of fight. Clean him up a little bit. Did I catch the same one you just caught with that northern scar? How big?
What is that?
Jeez!
Look at that thing. Holy.
Oh yeah.
Oh my. Look how long that thing is. Look up to my foot.
I got a scale in there. A ruler here. Is this GoPro going?
Yeah.
That's good to know.
Oh, I found the big bar.
Was it him?
Yeah.
Oh.
The thing bit and I was like, oh my god.
That one is like the bluegill that I got the other day. Just
Okay, here we go. Just a beast. There she goes. You want to know something?
What?
There's more down there. I don't want to set it that hard. It rips it out. That's
He's
how
back,
it's
he's back. He's back. Yep. Yes. Is he big?
Well, I mean, it's not bad. Oh, he's gonna hit it. Oh yeah. Man, sunnies everywhere. They like the shallower basin.
Go boy.
It's coming up.
I don't know what's going on.
Can't even see.
Oh, he hit it so hard.
I saw your rod.
It's all wrapped up. There you go.
You want me to? Oh yeah. What a tank.
Wow, me. With the good old deucer problems. There it is.
There you go.
They're so cool. They're like clear forms.
I know, they're just sweet.
Here, drop down and catch one. Actually, take my picture first, would you?
I'll just kind of have it sit there, and if I...
Here, I got a good idea.
Here, I got one camera and rod and camera.
Oh. We're not keeping them. We're just gonna set them there for pictures or something. You gotta keep them busy.
I can't even tell them my freaking...
It's just keep it right there. They'll come up to it.
Oh, I'm just gonna walk backwards.
Easy, doesn't it?
It's not that.
Guy.
It's not that big. Want to help me?
Yeah, there's a ton down there.
That was it. A catfish, maybe? Oh, that's a nice sunny. It had some. This one got completely destroyed by a northern. You can see the teeth marks all around that sucker. Yeah, you can see the teeth marks all around it. You had like a on the bottom.
See him?
Oh yeah.
This fish means business here. Wow. Nice one. Finicky today. They don't like plastic, so you gotta have a wax worm on there the whole time. Luckily the wind died down a little bit and we got some snow going, so it's kind of a nice evening. And the fish are biting really good. I don't know what I got on here, probably a, I don't even know, crappie. Come here, buddy. Little guys. Just little guys. Anything crazy going on in there?
What?
Anything crazy going on in there?
Nice fruit.
Huh?
I got nice fruit right here.
Sunny? Sweet. This long rod is awesome. You can just set the hook with just twitching your wrist. Oh, Cody, I just lost a nice crappie in the hole. That was probably 10 or 12 inches. Dang it. I thought it was a sunny, it was doing circles. Any more crappies like that? Come and play. Come on. There you are. I don't know what it is. I think it's a sunny. He's really doing the death circle here. Just a little sunfish. Twirl one more time. There it is. Come on. Nice bar. Missed him. Every time there's a nice bar, I seem to miss it.
Home caught a little northern and I had my plate go up.
This could be a big crappie, I'm not sure. Nice. Cody. Cody. Come here, buddy. Come here. I'm gonna let you go. Nice one there. That's probably 12 incher. He's gonna go back and I'll catch him another day when he's 13 or 14. This feels like a nice fish here too. Feels like a real nice fish. Let's see, what do we got? Ooh. Look at that. Beautiful bluegill. That's probably 8.5 inches. 8 or 8.5. Beautiful.